how to pin a comment at the top of your YouTube videos feed. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you guys can basically pin any comment on the top of your YouTube video feed. So over here, if I were to simply take a look at all of my videos, let's see if I have any comment over here. So let's say I open up this particular video, and then after that I simply open up this video. So let's say you have a comment on this particular video, or on second thoughts, let me just change up the video, because of course this video is not public. We have to find a video that is public. So over here, let's open up this one. And if I were to open up this particular video, well, then after that I will just simply put in a comment over here. Now the comment does not have to be done by you, it can be done by your viewers. So over here I will just simply type in hi, what's up, and then after that I will click on comment. And now once this is done, I can simply click on this particular button, and then after that I can click on pin, and now this comment is going to be pinned at the very top of my YouTube video feed. Now you guys can pin the comments of any of your viewers. You guys can basically find the comments over here as well, and you can pin them from over here. So guys, that is how you guys can basically pin comments at the top of your feed. You can also unpin them by simply clicking on these three dots and then clicking on unpin, and they're going to be unpinned, and then you can simply pin any other comment as well. So guys, that is how easy it is to basically pin a comment at the top of your YouTube channel feed. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.